going to learn how to make a beautiful flower using paper. So it is very simple and easy to make this flower. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, share this video to your friends. Step 1. The step 1 is to fold the paper equal to a quarter to make a rectangle. Then cut it the rectangle. So that's it. It's the time for cutting the paper. So by using the paper, please see how to cut and watch me to cut the rectangle. After cutting the rectangle, you should have 2 pieces of paper. Step 2. Step 2 is that the piece of the rectangle, you should cut them equal to a stripes of like ropes. That's how you cut them. Cut them very carefully. Don't be in hurry, okay? That's how you cut. Step 3. The step 3 is to make the stem of the flower. So how you make the stem of the flower? Watch out and make it. Step 4. The step 4 is to make the flower. So first of all, the rectangle, glue them and also glue the stem. Then you're gonna stick them together and just roll it slowly. Don't be in hurry. If you're in hurry, the flower will not so look nice like you thought. So be careful. Time to make some leaves. The video is fast forward, so please watch out to make some leaves.